Good day everyone. Today I'll be sharing a short presentation about the President of Ramon Magsaysay up to the current President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. Let's look back at their leadership and major accomplishments that shaped our nation. President Ramon Magsaysay, 1953-1957. Known as the champion of the President Carlos P. Garcia, 1957-1961. He introduced the Filipino First policy, giving priority to the people, businesses, and industries. Garcia also promoted thrift and self-discipline among Filipinos. President Diosdado Macapagal, 1961 and 1965. President Macapagal is known as the father of land reform. He moved the celebrations of Independence Day from July 4 to June 12, recognizing the true day of Philippines independence from Spain. President Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr., 1965-1986. His administration built many infrastructures such as roads, bridges, and hospitals. However, he is marked by martial law, brought through progress and human rights issues. President Corazon C. Aquino, 1986-1992. The first female president of the Philippines, Corazon Aquino, restored democracy after the Marcos dictatorships. She led the creations the 1987 constitutions and promoted freedom and peace. President Fidel V. Ramos, 1992-1998. President Ramos helped achieve political stability and economic growth. He improved the country's infrastructure and opened the economy to foreign investors. President Joseph Erap Estrada, 1998-2001. A former movie actor, President Estrada focused on fighting poverty through his program, Erap Para sa Mahirap. However, his term was cut short due to corruption issues. President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, 2001-2010. She focused on economic growth and infrastructure development. During her term, the country experienced improvement in the economy despite several political controversies. President Benigno Noynoy Aquino III, 2010-2016. He was known for his Daang Matuwid or Straight Path campaign against corruption. His administration achieved economic stability and good governance. President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, 2016-2022. President Duterte was known for his strong leadership and campaign against illegal drugs. He also pushed for major infrastructure projects under the Building Program. President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., 2022 President. The current president focuses on unity and economic recovery after his pandemic. His administration promotes agriculture development, digital transformation, and infrastructure expressions. Each president, from Ramon Magsaysay to Bongbong Marcos, has contributed in their own way to our nations. Their leadership, whether in times of hardship or progress, shaped the Philippines we know today. Thank you for watching.